don't look at me.
It's video time in the fancy hotel room.
My mama says it's like, I don't know, like Olympic?
Olympic?
I don't know where she got Olympic from. We talk really loud. On it.
Let's talk really loud and obnoxious.
But I'm not obnoxious.
What?
Oh, you should say something in German.
You go, huh? I squeaked. That's really loud. Look, the green thing went like all the way up whenever you did that. You know, whenever I read that, I pronounced it colonel strange.
Colonial.
Colonial? No, it's colonel.
Colonial.
Colonial?
Yeah. You thought it was really cute. And then I like, died from embarrassment.
I didn't press it. Oh yeah, he did.
Fake tattoos. You should show me fake tattoos.